Hi, I'm Brad Kuvin. I'm the editorial director of Metal Forming Magazine at the Precision Metal Forming Association. We are here in Orlando for FABTECH 2024, and we're doing these 4 on-the-floor segments with the exhibitors. So I'm here at the Infor booth with Lisa Perks and Jake Paul. Thanks for joining us today.
Thanks for having us.
You bet. So we've got 4 questions to ask you. We're going to talk about the products and the markets that you serve and maybe a little bit about the company history. So why don't you start by just telling us about the new technology that you're introducing at FABTECH this year.
Take that one.
Absolutely. Yeah, what people can see if they stop by our booth here is, really our market-leading discrete manufacturing ERP cloud suites. You're going to see our rules-based configuration. You'll see our MES that's leveraging Industry 4.0 technology, and you're also going to see our advanced planning and scheduling capabilities that allow our customers really to meet the needs and requirements of their customers.
Nice. So you want to talk to maybe what you're seeing in the market from your customers that's kind of driving the developments that you talked about Industry 4.0, but what are some of the market factors that are influencing your product development?
Yeah, I'd say right now there's a really big drive, for including artificial intelligence. And that's something that we're really taking a multifaceted approach to. We're looking at, how do you take AI? Obviously, the one that most people are familiar with is your generative AI. And we're embedding that into our cloud suites, allowing people to take advantage of that for, workforce productivity. We also have a whole library of artificial intelligence use cases that our customers are already leveraging around predictive insights, anomaly detection, helping make better business-driven decisions based upon data. And then we're also looking at process automation and process mining is where I was going with that. And we've got a lot that we're doing there. We've actually got a release coming up here in October. This weekend.
Really?
Yep, that is leveraging a lot of new functionality right around process mining. So taking a look at your processes within the industry and identifying bottlenecks, and then how do we utilize AI automation to relieve those bottlenecks.
Wow, that's really cool. And so you're talking about some of that this week with people that have come by the booth, the application of AI. Are you getting a lot of questions about how AI is impacting
Oh
ERP?
yeah, a lot of companies are looking at, we had a company said, hey, we're looking at doing an ERP replace, and one of the first questions on the list is, what are you doing with AI? Where are you taking that? What does that mean for us as we look at the industry going forward, and what should we be thinking of when it comes to capabilities and where our business is going to go?
Very cool. Is the AI functionality digesting and filtering data? Is that kind of the main function of AI within the ERP, is just collecting all this information and figuring out what's the most important?
There's really multiple ways to look at AI. I thought when I first understood it that there was just, AI, one thing. But as I mentioned, we have a multifaceted approach because there's multiple ways to look at it. Obviously, aggregating data being a key. All of our customers get a data lake that comes with our solution, allowing us to aggregate data from our system, from other systems as well. And then on top of that, we're taking our artificial intelligence and our machine learning platform, robotic process automation, applying that to the data so that you're able to, identify trends, right? Able to make predictive insights. And there's really a library of use cases that I could go into, the ways customers have used that, whether that's for the service side of things, whether it's for manufacturing, whether it's looking at the ability to make predictions from an inventory perspective or from a pricing, where should we be pricing things? So then you can then optimize your inventory to meet demand while also reducing your inventory carrying costs.
Very cool. So what do you think is important for metal formers and fabricators to know about the history of Infor and your industry knowledge and how you're applying that background and experience to developing your products?
Absolutely. Infor has really taken the approach of industry-specific cloud suites. So what that means is we're focused on an industry, manufacturing being one of the largest, and designing that into our solutions so then we can actually go to that next level and look at micro-vertical focuses, such as metal forming and fabricating, and really have an expertise within that space. And so, ultimately what we're trying to do from a broad level is provide accurate information in the most timely way possible to give our customers the ability to make informed and educated business decisions. Whether that's looking at IoT capabilities within our solutions down on the shop floor, so you're getting real-time production data, whether it's looking at our rules-based configuration so that we're capturing our customer requirements accurately on the front end, or whether it's our capable to promise capabilities that allow our customers really to make a promise to their customers and ultimately keep that promise.
Fantastic. All right, thank you both for joining us. Really appreciate it.
Thank you, Brad. Appreciate it.